Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to do the long A sound words. Call it A dash E. So when you're doing A dash E words like bake and cake, let's practice how it looks when you are using the strategies with those vowels. Bake, B, A, K. And then we're going to put the magic E there because magic E is magical. It sprinkles its magic onto the A and makes A say its name. So it's not b-ack, it's b-ache, bake. So now we're going to spot and dot our vowels, of course. And now we have b, a, k. I drew a train under A dash E because it makes one sound together. A, b, a, k, bake. Let's do one more. Let's do a blend. Flake, fl, ache. So I'm going to put two fingers together this time. Fl, ache. These two letters, fl, what are they? F, L, A, K. And we have our magic E. It doesn't make a sound. It sprinkles its magic onto the A. It makes A say its name. I'm going to spot and dot the vowels, A and E. And now I'm ready to do my sounds. Fl, A, K. If I blend it together, it says flake. Good job, boys and girls. Now it's time for you to show what you know about the long A vowel sound.